Hi Henry, hi Cora, hi Bonnie. This book is called The Blue Songbird by Vern Kousky. Once there lived a blue songbird. It's very light blue. Every morning, she would wake up, hop to the edge of a high branch, and listen to her sister's lovely voice. The songbird always tried to join in with them, but she could never sing like they could sing. They seemed to have their own special song, and she couldn't sing like them. "I'm not like my older sisters," said the songbird to her mother. "It seems there are no songs for me." "My dearest one," replied her mother, "not just any notes will do. You must go and find a special song that only you can sing." So the songbird left her mother, left her nest and all she knew, and she flew off to find her special song. When she reached a far-off land, she saw a giant bird, unlike any she had ever seen before. The songbird landed and began to chirp. "Excuse me, Mr. Long-necked Bird. In your travels, have you heard of a very special thing, a song that only I can sing?" This bird stretched his slender neck down low to where the songbird stood. "My name is Crane," whooped the bird, "and I'm sorry that I can't help you. But see those mountains over there? Beyond them lives the wisest bird. If anyone knows where to find the answer, I'm sure it will be him." The songbird kindly thanked the crane and flew on to continue her quest. She soared over mountain peaks and dove down into a deep valley until she reached a dark pine forest. Here she found a bird who looked very old and very wise. "Hello, Mr. Wise Old Bird. In your long life you must have heard of a very special thing, a song that only I can sing." "I'm an owl," hooted the owl. "Hoo, hoo." I can't read backwards. "I'm an owl," hooted the bird. "Who are you looking for?" "No, no, not who," answered the songbird. "I'm searching for a song." But the owl only cocked his head. "Who, who, who?" This must not be a wise bird after all, thought the songbird. Still, she thanked him kindly and then flew off once more to continue her quest. The songbird crossed rivers and valleys, cities and oceans, and all along the way she always asked where she might find her song. See her out here? She was talking to a vulture, and then she flew over some cities, and here she is. Do you know what kind of birds these are? Do you know pigeons? Those are pigeons. But no bird had the answer. It looks like she even went up to the North Pole or somewhere very cold, because she even talked to penguins to find her song. And a little seal was watching. One windy winter day, she met a bird who looked a little mean and more than a little bit hungry. Even so, the songbird bravely chirped, "Please don't eat me, Mr. Scary Bird. I just wondered if you've ever heard of a very special thing, a song that only I can sing?" "Call me Crow," cawed the bird, "and I have heard of such a thing. Across the sea there is an island, golden as the sun and filled with the most enchanting music. Fly west as far as you can, and there you will find the song you seek." The songbird kissed the clever crow and then set out to cross the sea. Here she is. Did you see the snow in that picture? I'm glad we don't have snow now. I like it when it comes. I like it when it goes. Oh, back to the story. She flew through the storm and wind, through night and day, until she was more tired than she had ever been. But the songbird did not rest, for she knew that soon she would find her special song. Then she saw the island glowing like a jewel on the horizon in the distance. She could hear the sound of beautiful music. At last, laughed the songbird, and suddenly her wings felt strong again. She swooped down faster and faster, following the sound, until she found that after all this time, she was home. She'd gone all the way around the world and come home. The songbird's heart fell. She had circled the whole world, spoken to every bird there was, but she thought her quest had failed. Then she saw her mother, and all her disappointment disappeared. She had so many stories to tell, but when the songbird opened her beak to tell them, what came out was not words at all. Do you know what came out? What came out was a song. A song. She sang a song of crane and owl and of the clever crow and of cities and stormy seas and mountains capped with snow, of all the warm and sunny days and the chilly nights alone. And of the love the songbird felt for her family and her home. The end. Hope you guys have a fun day listening to all the different birds singing and whatever else you do to add to your own special song. Okay? I love you. Mwah.